Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Ibrahim. I am the student of first year PUC Science. So today I am going to give a short review on this book. This book is about the biography of Albert Einstein. So I want to say that if we want to know about the biography of Albert Einstein, so we will search on the Google, on the Wikipedia, we get. So in that Wikipedia, we could not get that much information about Albert Einstein, because sometimes if we will get, so the sentence are very difficult to understand. So in this book, the one thing which I like, that the sentences are very good and easy to understand, and the points are very nice, because in this book they have covered all the points from their birth to their death, where they born, in which school they studied, in which college, and about their discoveries and all. So I want to say a few points about Albert Einstein, as he was a great scientist. So he was born in March 29, 1879 in Germany. As in his child, he was not that much of intelligent, because in his school he did not get any interest in language, in studying language. So that's why the teacher has said that Albert Einstein is not intelligent students, because in language they doesn't score good marks. They have only interest in physics or in mathematics, because when he study physics or mathematics, so he start pondering because about the nature, what is happening, how it is happening. So these all things he is going to study and he is going to ponder by himself. So that's why he has made many discoveries and many theories about, for example, the theory of relativity, the laws of motion, and many discoveries and many theories he has given. So that was very helpful for us, and that was very helpful for science and science technology to discover more things about our nature and our earth. Thank you for listening me and cooperating me, and thank you for everything.